This is Dan Walsh. I'm the general manager of Harrah's Lake and Flamingo. On behalf of Caesars Entertainment, we couldn't be happier to welcome Buddy Valastro to the Caesars Entertainment family. We've got an incredible lineup of culinary excellence here, and Buddy is now taking that to the next level in our company. Last 2 years ago, he opened Pizza Cake at Harrah's, and he wanted to do a big grand opening celebration, and then our COVID situation hit. We had to postpone that, but during that downtime, he was able to reopen his restaurants and also opened 2 new restaurants here at the lake. Jersey Eats up at the front, a food truck, which has Atlantic City, New Jersey inspired food, and also the Boss Cafe back here in the back of the lake. It's a wonderful restaurant, it's outstanding food. It brings Buddy's passion for food and family together in a unique experience. So I encourage you guys to come out here and check out this restaurant. One thing I could say, meeting Buddy and his family, he's got a wonderful family. It's a great tradition of culinary excellence. He's got his family involved in the restaurants, and you'll see that come through in the food when you test it and taste it. So again, I couldn't be happier to welcome Buddy to the family. And on behalf of Caesars, I'd like to turn it over to Tick Segerbaum, who has a proclamation here for Buddy from the city.
From the county.
From the county.
I'm not sure which lady we're talking about. Birthday today. 18 years old, so very cool. Anyway, today is your day in the Strip, in Clark County. Anything you do, get out of jail free. But thank you so much, and maybe you get out of jail free.
One day.
Anyway, thank you so much for what you do for the Strip, what you do for Las Vegas and Clark County. She said this is your second home. This is your parents-in-law first home, right? That's where they live here, so it's very exciting for us, and we're so proud of you. So this is the proclamation, but we're going to give you the key to the Strip.
Someone has to hold it on that end.
Okay. I got it. All right. I'm going to hold it in the other hand. Brian, hold it, Brian. Brian, hold it. Brian, hold it. Dan, get in there. Everybody's in there. Get in there. Get in there. All right. We're calling the mozzarella. All right. Ready? Okay, 1,